Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. If you are using Instagram and now you want to send disappearing photos or videos, let's see how can you do this. Just open your Instagram and here just go for chat section and then select the person which you want to send disappearing photos. I'm going to select this one, tap on it and here just tap on the camera icon and then roll it up to open your gallery photos and here just select any photo which you want to send. Let's see, I'm going to send this one. Just tap on it and here you must have to tap on this icon and here you'll get different options just like that. You have to select this one. Here you can see that the view once has been set it. Now just tap on send and the photo will be sent just like that. Now the person can open the photo just a time. After that the photo will be deleted from chats. So that's how you can easily send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.